Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove art page border in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first, open your Publisher document. Now you can see remove art page border in Publisher. Now going to the drawing tools from format. Then click. Now going to the shape outline option. Then click from no outline. Now for click that it's. Then you show remove art page border. Then again another process. Then select from a art page border. Now keyboard press from backspace. That it's. Now you can see remove art page border in publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.